Hello and welcome back to the channel Hard Reset Info, and today let's discuss how to make your AliExpress order come faster. So before even placing an order on AliExpress, it's always good idea to check whether item provides you options such as fast shipping. So let me open any kind of product. For example, this one. What is this? This is karaoke machine. And I need to scroll a little bit down, and if I see here section fast delivery, then perfect, you should go for this item. That means that this item will arrive to me a little bit earlier than those items that do not have this section. Then you should go for items that are being shipped from local warehouses. So what I mean by that, let's go to search at the top, and let me search, I don't know, for video light, for example, and I need to set some filters. I tap filter icon right here, and I need to find section shipping from, and here you can see some local warehouses that you can choose. So you can choose the nearest country that is located to your country. For example, if I'm located in the Eastern Europe, I should definitely go for Poland or Czech Republic. Yes, because again, as I said earlier, from these countries my item will arrive way earlier than, for example, from China. Yes, and the last thing that I wanted to mention is that you should go to checkout of your item. So let's pretend that I want to make an order, and I need to go to section shipping that is located right here, and if you see next to it arrow, that's perfect. Tap on this arrow and see whether seller provides you any other shipping methods. Unfortunately, as you can see here, I have only one shipping method. This is free shipping, but sometimes here you can see standard shipping or premium shipping. And if you want to get your AliExpress order come faster, then you should definitely go for premium shipping or standard shipping. Of course, you have to pay a little extra, but believe me, it's worth it's worth it. So that were the main points on how you can make your AliExpress order come faster, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content just like this.